The video transmitter is outside, the antenna is outside also, they are not touching the carbon frame, and it is also uncovered, and the image in the goggles is perfectly clear. When it was mounted inside it was bad. Plus there are no capacitors, low ESR capacitors on the battery either, nothing. Perfectly clear video. No noise at all. Weird. Video transmitter is outside. By the way, before the video transmitter was powered directly from the battery voltage and it was noisy. Now it's powered from the light controller's video, but this light controller was made for a 200 milliwatt transmitter and this is set to 500 milliwatts. So I'm not sure if it will resist or not, but it's perfectly clear when it's powered there, and it's noisy when it's powered directly from the battery.